Folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a square having twice the area of a given square. So all you need to do is you draw the square ABCD. So this is the square ABCD. Then the next step is to draw the diagonal BD. The diagonal runs from B to D. So here we go. This is the diagonal BD, and then this diagonal BD will be the length of the desired square. So all you need to do is you draw perpendiculars. So I'm drawing perpendiculars now at B and D. This is perpendicular at D. So this perpendicular will be the line on which the height of the square will be drawn. So this is a new square drawn on the diagonal. Then open your compass to the length of the diagonal. That's it here. Then we'll cut on those perpendiculars. So then we'll join those intersections together. Then when we are done joining all the four edges of the square, we'll get the square, which is twice in area of the original square. So as you can see, this is our square BD. Let's call it BDEF is the required square having twice the area of an original square. Thanks for watching.